guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sway.
You ain't got the answer, Sway.
Giddy. Around 8:42 in the morning, and we are heading down to ECS Performance, guys, to get something installed to the car that I've been wanting to do since I got it. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. All right, guys, so you see this right here? Look at that. Look how many fucking fingers I can fit through there. That is not happening, bro. That's fucking crazy. So yeah, we're getting the lowering springs installed finally on the Scat pack, guys. Yes, sir. It's gonna look so amazing when I get it lowered, guys. I went and got the Ibach springs to get this puppy lowered. I think it lowers it about 1.5 inches in the front and like 1.7 or something in the back. But as soon as we get to ECS, I'll ask them how much they expect it to be lowered. So without further ado, guys, let's go get it done. All right, guys, we're about 15 minutes out. This is actually the longest I've driven my car, like 25-30 minutes to get there. This is my farthest fucking trip. Farthest trip I've taken so far in the Scatty, guys. It's kind of crazy. I don't want to do too much highway driving just because I'm actually getting the front of my car PPF, I think it's called, that paint protection film. Yeah, I'm getting the whole front of the car and protected and stuff for rock chips and all that stuff. So that's why I haven't really been hitting the highway, but I'm making an exception today. I'm gonna, as you can see, they deal with pretty much Subarus is their forte, if you can say. They do a lot of Subaru builds here. They got a Corvette right there as well, and then they got that CTS-V over there for y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but whatever. But yeah, make sure to hit them up if you want anything done to your car. They deal with anything. They got an S2000 right there too, if you can see that. I think it's pretty dope. So yeah. And I'm also show you this Audi that they got right here too. This S6, he was telling me, has 650 horsepower in this big boy. It runs 11.1 in the quarter mile. That's really good, dude. But yeah, let's get it, guys. I was parked in the wrong spot, I'm pretty sure. Let's see what type of cars they got over here. I got a couple whips. I'm gonna park back here because there's no spots over here. Alright, guys, she is dropped off. She's gonna call me when it's done. She'll be ready by this afternoon, hopefully. But I can't wait to see how she turns out, guys. She needs that lower. She needs that lower. Ah, dang, folks. Alright, guys, I'm about to hop on this Uber real quick, wherever this nigga is.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys, look at that. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Perfect, guys. Fucking perfect. Alright, guys. Y'all can see it's lowered. Looks amazing. Came out amazing as well. As y'all can see from the beginning, I could fit like almost 5 fingers in there. Now I can only fit 2 fingers. So it's perfect. That's how I wanted it. Just how I fucking wanted it, guys. Big major shout out to ECS Performance here in South Windsor, Connecticut. They did a great job. Finished it in the same day for me as well. They even ordered the parts for me here too. I just told them which springs I wanted and they went ahead and ordered it for me. So it's perfect. I'm gonna, you can see there all their information. Just doing it for y'all. I can't zoom in. But I'm gonna leave all their information down in the description below. Shout out to Dan. He's the one that took care of me.
And yeah, so I'm gonna leave their description in their link in the description below, their Instagram and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna drive this thing home, and I'll let you guys know how it drives, how it rides. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
Back, and I'm so fucking in love with how that shit came out. Oh my goodness. I was a little afraid that the back wasn't gonna get as low as I wanted, but that is literally perfect, guys. Fucking perfect. The ride is amazing. No real change in the ride. Oh my god, yo, this car needed this so bad, yo. It looks so fucking good. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna settle a little bit more, guys, too, so it's gonna get a little bit lower. Probably not too much more than this, but it does have to settle still a little bit more. But look at that view right there. That shit looks nasty. Holy fuck, dude. I'm gonna give it a quick wash, guys, and then I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I wash it. All right, guys, so I just washed it, and she's looking so beautiful. Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know if y'all like it. I fucking love it, dude. I fucking think it came out so beautiful, guys. Look at that thing. Completely changed the look of the car, and I absolutely love how it came out. Perfect. Exactly how low I wanted it and everything, guys. Absolutely perfect. I'm so excited. Shout out to ECS again, guys. They hooked it up. They really hooked it up, guys, no lie. Jeez. Holy shit. Look at that. 2 fingers only. As you saw in the beginning, in the morning, I could fit literally my whole hand in there. But yeah, fucking dope. Guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you like that upload. Finally got the Scat lowered. I've been wanting to do this since I literally got the car. As soon as I got the car, I was like, yep, first thing I'm gonna do is lower it because it was way too high. Look at that thing, guys. Fucking perfect. That's gonna be it though for today's video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for sure, guys. We need to become bigger so we can do bigger things, you know, like this, and buy new cars and all that. But yeah, please hit that subscribe button, hit the post notification so you don't miss any videos coming up next. Still a lot more stuff to do to this bad boy. And also, I want a new vehicle too. I've been really interested in that new Ford Bronco. I really want that thing so bad, so I might just go for it. Just imagine that and the Bronco next to it. That'd be insane, guys. Insane. But thank you guys for the support. Thanks for all the love you guys been showing me. It's been unreal. And we're just gonna keep grinding, keep getting better every day. And that's about it, guys. See you later.